Welcome back to Insight Nexus. Today, we're delving into a critical chapter of American history, the Chinese Exclusion Act and the resistance that arose against it. This story highlights the challenges faced by Chinese immigrants in the United States and the enduring spirit of resistance and resilience. Join us as we explore this forgotten story from the history. The Chinese Exclusion Act of 1882 was the first major U.S. law to restrict immigration, specifically targeting Chinese laborers. It barred their entry and prevented those already in the U.S. from becoming citizens. Economic and racial tensions fueled the act, as Chinese immigrants were blamed for taking jobs and lowering wages during tough economic times. Despite their significant contributions to industries like railroads and mining, Chinese immigrants faced intense discrimination and violence, with anti-Chinese sentiments stoked by politicians and labor unions. The act was a culmination of decades of hostility, and it marked a dark period in American history where institutional racism was codified into law. Resistance to the Chinese Exclusion Act was immediate and multifaceted. The Chinese community and their allies, including the Chinese Consolidated Benevolent Association (CBA), fought against it by providing support and legal aid. They challenged the act in court, leading to landmark cases like Yikwo v. Hopkins in 1886. The Supreme Court ruled that discriminatory laws against Chinese people were unconstitutional, affirming that the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment applies to everyone, not just citizens. Chinese immigrants and their allies organized protests, wrote petitions, and built solidarity with other marginalized groups. Their resistance aimed not only to oppose exclusion, but also to assert their rights and humanity amid widespread discrimination. Despite resistance, the Chinese Exclusion Act stayed in effect for over 60 years until its repeal in 1943 during World War II when China became an ally. However, immigration quotas remained strict until the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1965, which ended the national origins quota system and reformed U.S. immigration policy. The Chinese Exclusion Act's legacy highlights the harm of discriminatory policies and the importance of resisting injustice. The Chinese American community and their allies demonstrated resilience and determination in fighting for equality and justice despite significant challenges. Thanks for joining us to explore this incredible story from past. This chapter in history reminds us of the enduring fight for justice and the importance of standing against discrimination. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what other significant stories from history you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning about the remarkable legacies of our past.